This is the standalone method part of the whole school division calculation policy. This is not part of the progressive phases, and as it says here at the bottom of the screen, it doesn't reinforce the concept of place value. For example, when we are using this method, you'll find yourself asking how many 3's are in 5, whereas it might be how many 3's are in 500, or how many 2's are in 8, and you might actually be asking how many 2's are in 80. This method has to be used with really confident mathematicians who have a really good understanding of the previous 4 methods. This will not be used in whole class teaching. It's really only to be used with groups of children who are really confident in their understanding of division using a number line. So if we take the example of 565 divided by 3, it can be represented like this. Now, as I said earlier, this method does not follow on from the other methods as such, and it really does rely upon a really good understanding of place value. It's almost like a trick method, really. So I'm going to refer to these numbers here using this method as 5, which is incorrect, it's actually 500. I'm going to refer to this number here as 6, which again is incorrect, it's 60. The only part which is correct is that I'll be referring to this number as 5, and it is indeed 5. You can begin to see now why this method is really for more confident mathematicians. So, the first part we're asking is how many 3's are in 5. We have that knowledge that obviously this is 500, but for the purpose of this method, how many 3's are in 5? Well, there's 1 3 in 5, with a remainder, or with 2 left over. We can see we've got what looks like 26 just here, which is again incorrect, it's 260, but for the purposes of this method, how many 3's are in 26? Well, there are 8 3's in 26, 8 3's make 24, and again we've got a remainder of 2. You might notice that as I'm going along, I'm putting a line through any of the numbers or any of the digits that I've dealt with already. Children may find this a little bit easier, and it just makes it a bit clearer on the paper as they're looking at this method that we know already we've dealt with this 5, the 2 and the 6, and we've just got the 2 and the 5 remaining. So we're now looking at how many 3's are in 25. Well, actually it is 25 now. As we reach the end of this method, the 5, as I said at the start, is a 5, and the 2 is 2 10's. So how many 3's are in 25? That is 8 3's make 24, and we have a remainder of 1. So we can say 565 divided by 3 equals 188, remainder 1.